simplest thing to do is to put nothing there, so you would have. But you might say, surely we can do a bit more than that, okay? You could put a grace note there. We made that idea earlier. Okay. Another possibility is to do. Put that little treble. I think that's the least nice thing to do, and I wouldn't do that myself in that case. And then we're on to putting the full roll, but we can do that in a number of ways. We can put the roll all in one go like this.
But why would I single that out for an ornament? It's a long note, isn't it?
Yeah.
If we look at the first line, they're all as full up as you can get until you get to here. And we have a good long E. It gives us space, doesn't it? So we could do what Asher says, we could put in a chord or we could put in an ornament. And what do we use in the first tune? Can you remember what kind of an ornament we used?
Triplet.
Yeah, the three babies, triplets. So C, E, C. I'll just play that for you. Do you remember the first tune we did BDB?
Yeah.
Well, this is the very same, but push. So instead of out, in. Okay? Producer of that, Pavel? So C natural. The one in the middle. Good man. That's the one. And push it all in. That's the one. Go for it again. Perfect. That's the C, E, C. You try that, Connor? Very good. Asher?
Do you want to do another tune before we go? Or?
Yeah. And again, if you kind of do the tonguing on the A and the G, just because the rest of it is kind of nice and flowy. But yeah,
How do you do that?
I cut with this finger. Da, 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 da.